Hello guys, today we're doing a pack opening. Okay, let's start. First pack. Ooh, Jackson Martinez. It's pretty decent, but yeah, it's really good, but yeah, we need really rare players. Ooh, yeah, that is decent.
That is quick.
Okay. No, that is decent. That is decent. Okay, let's save it. No. Higuain. Xavi. Okay. So next pack.
We're hoping for that Aguero, by the way.
Yeah, it's Hero Aguero, the purple one. Ooh, yes. Good.
Yes, but quick sell.
No, it's not Quicksilver. By the way, oh yes, I'm joined by my friend, Uranus.
Got no idea.
Okay. So, we have got pretty nice luck. Pretty okay, decent. Ooh, Jorginho again.
And Ronaldo maybe?
Can we get something more in this pack?
No.
I think I won't even save him. I will just quick sell. He's only good for like 30k. Oh my god, as well as him, he's even less. Okay, let's just do this. This and this. Oh shit. Okay, next pack. Can we get something good?
I think we can.
Can we? Oh.
It's good, but it's not worth it. Okay, it's like 6 more packs. Okay, if we get that Aguero, we will be very happy.
Yeah.
And then the only player we need to get will be...
Ronaldo or Messi?
No, just Messi. Because we have got Ronaldo.
Yeah, my friend just got Ronaldo today. He was just flipping out. No, my fucking god! Oh, Dios, no! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god, guys! We're ending this here. Bye. Bye.